In a small village nestled in the heart of the mountains, there lived a young boy named Kian who loved birds. Every morning, he would wander into the forest, sit beneath the tall oak trees, and watch the birds soar gracefully through the sky. He was fascinated by their freedom, their beauty, and their song. Kian dreamed of one day flying like them, of exploring the endless sky. But Kian was born with a leg that didn't work quite right, making it hard for him to run or even walk without pain. Despite his limitations, he never let go of his dream. One morning, as the golden sunrise painted the forest in warm hues, Kian saw an unusual bird, a majestic creature with feathers that shimmered like gold. The bird landed near him and tilted its head as if it understood his thoughts. Kian whispered to the bird, "How I wish I could fly, to feel the wind and touch the clouds." The golden bird chirped and dropped one shimmering feather at his feet before soaring away. Surprised, Kian picked it up and felt a strange warmth spread through his body. He carried the feather home, not knowing its magic would soon change his life. That night, Kian dreamed of soaring through the skies, the golden feather glowing in his hand. When he woke up, he found himself standing at the top of the highest hill in the village. His leg no longer ached. It felt strong, like it had never been weak. Day by day, Kian discovered that the golden feather had given him something more than physical strength, it had gifted him confidence. He started climbing hills, running through fields, and even began crafting wings from fabric and wood. His determination inspired the villagers, who started helping him with tools and encouragement. Years passed, and Kian became known far and wide as the boy who dreamed to fly. He perfected his wings and eventually leaped off the highest cliff in the village. The villagers held their breath as he glided through the air, soaring like the birds he had always admired. When Kian landed, the golden feather in his pocket dissolved into the wind. He realized its magic was not in making him fly but in awakening the courage and determination already inside him. Kian spent the rest of his life teaching others to follow their dreams, no matter how impossible they seemed. His story reminded everyone that sometimes, what we need isn't magic, but faith in ourselves and the people who believe in us.